Today we're going to talk about the best new MLM network marketing company in South Africa. Okay, South Africans love network marketing. However, they have been burned in the past. They have had to spend a lot of money on their network marketing products without a lot of results, and a lot of Africans have lost money in network marketing. And so we're going to talk about a new opportunity that is doing network marketing differently. It is very affordable for Africans, South Africans, and whatnot. South Africans have had a very hard time recently with the power outages, unable to work, and so we're going to try to lighten their mood by giving them a new opportunity. We are looking for experienced network marketers in South Africa, so if you have prior experience in network marketing, then stay till the very end of this video. We're also going to talk about a company that was big in Africa called Alliance in Motion. Okay, and we're going to talk about their state of affairs and why a lot of people are moving over to LiveGood from old school MLM companies. Okay, so this is exciting. There's over almost 60 million people in South Africa. It's a very, very populous country. Most countries in Africa are. And Africans love network marketing. When they get the hang of it, they grow like wildfire. And we want to open South Africa. We want teams from South Africa. If you have a team in a previous company, you have hundreds or thousands of people that you want to place in a new opportunity. This is the time. So if you look at the average earnings or the average salary of a South African, it's 31,000 Rand, and that equates to about $1,600 a month. Okay, so they make okay money, but with network marketing, the possibility of making 10,000 a month or more is possible. But Africans need to know that it takes time. It could take a year. It could take 3 years. But it's a real business that takes consistency, and we're going to talk about all of that real soon. So if you look at Alliance in Motion's revenue, let's just, there's a lot of things. I don't even know if they're in business anymore. Alliance in Motion is out of the Philippines. Now, they've been in business for a long time, but what makes me very suspicious is their revenue, okay? No company that I've ever seen in my entire life has the same exact revenue every single year. It says right here, 238 million in 2018 all the way to 2022. There's no way an MLM company has the same exact revenue for 5 years in a row. It just does not happen. So I do not believe these numbers are correct. The other thing is that's kind of concerning is that all of the top earners, all of their images are gone. So I do not know if they all left, they all quit, and they didn't renew their subscription here at Business for Home. Let's look at the company website really fast. If I go to Alliance Global, it says, you know, that they got an award in 2019. As you know, one of the best MLM companies in Asia. But if you scroll down here, they have videos that are unavailable on their website. Okay, this video is private, so something is going on. Maybe they know that I'm in America. Looking at their website, it seems very restrictive. You have to enter your country before you can even look at the website. So that's another thing that's very concerning. So let's look at something that is really fresh and something that over 250,000 people have joined literally in 4 months, and that is called LiveGood. Okay, this is a bright, new, fast website with great products that are 80% less than other MLM companies. So if we go to products, you're going to see amazing product prices. Okay, let's look at the plant-based protein. This would be $69 to $89 in another MLM company. But when you're in a LiveGood affiliate, it's only going to be $22. Okay, $22. This is unheard of for MLM products. Okay, let's look at something else. Let's look at the organic super reds. This would be $59 in another MLM. When you're an affiliate with LiveGood, it's only $18. And there's no auto ships. Okay, that's why most Africans quit MLM in 3 months. They cannot afford the auto ship. There is no auto ship in LiveGood. In fact, you only have to pay $49.95 the first month to become an affiliate, and then it's $9.95 the following months. Okay, so if we look at the currency here, so it's $49.95 the first month, so 919 rand, and then the following months your membership is only 183 rand a month. So how are Africans joining LiveGood? You can use crypto. You can use a prepaid Visa debit card. Now, if you use a prepaid Visa debit card, you definitely want to do the 1-year subscription with LiveGood. So that would be about, I think it's $149 for an entire year, which would be 2,741 South African rand. Now, what is beautiful about LiveGood? Let's just go over some bullet points. Here's my team. You can see it's growing every single month. I'm bringing in 4,000 to 5,000 members every single month. You will be joining one of the fastest growing teams. And here's some, let me just get to some key points with LiveGood. So let me just go here. 1 second. It's a different business model. Okay, no one is doing MLM like this. That's why we're growing so fast. Okay, so here are the bullet points for LiveGood. No auto ships and no business volume requirements. You do not have to come in with a big pack. You're not going to have a sponsor urging you to buy the big pack. There is no big pack. You can buy whatever you want whenever you want. You don't even have to buy products. You just have to pay your monthly membership price. You can even make money without referring a single person. However, we're looking for network marketing leaders who want to make life-changing income. Therefore, we urge that you recruit people and build a team in South Africa. Okay, I am not doing WhatsApp and I do not do Zoom calls. The company has 2 Zoom calls a week that I point people to, and I am looking for leaders that want to do their own training. However, my YouTube channel is full of training, so you can look at all of the training there as well. Massive duplication. Okay, our team is at 13, almost at 14,000 in 130 days. So you can pay with crypto, debit, or credit card. You can also get paid in crypto, or you can use global e-wallet and get a debit card so you can withdraw money from your ATM in your country. Websites and autoresponder are already done. All you have to do is become an affiliate by clicking the link under this video. Watch the 6-minute video and sign up. But you will also get your own landing page that looks like this. It's going to have your name at the top. And all you have to do is share this with people, and all the prospects have to do is watch the 6-minute video, sign up on the form, and when they're in their temporary dashboard, they can join by buying a membership, either monthly or yearly. Okay, it's that simple. And then LiveGood will also email your prospects, so you don't even have to email your leads. You can if you want, but I don't. All I do is I share this landing page. People sign up, LiveGood emails my leads, and they're good to go. So if you want to become a big leader in LiveGood, we are looking for South African leaders. Thank you for watching, and let's rock and roll.